In today's video, I'll teach you how to download all your Snapchat memories at once. So first of all, launch open Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So tap on your avatar that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. So in order to download all of your Snapchat memories, what you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is scroll down. Under the section for app and privacy, at second you'll be able to find this option for my privacy and data. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to my privacy and data interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for manage my data, at first you'll be able to find this option for my data. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access your data over here. From here you'll be able to manage your data. Now over here you'll be able to select the data to include. At first you'll be able to find this option for export your memories. What you have to do is toggle this button on. Now you'll be able to see this option over here, request only memories. So what you have to do is tap on this option, request only memories, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to select the time frame. You'll be able to find the options like yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 year, all time. You can simply tap on the option of your choice, or you can also select the time frame from the calendar itself. So after you do that, what you have to do is confirm your email. If the email is incorrect, tap on it and enter the correct email. Now tap on this option submit that you can see on the screen. Now the data will be available for download soon. You can see over here Snapchat is creating a copy of the file. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or day to complete. You'll receive an email when the export is done. So simply be patient and wait for the email. In that email, you'll be able to download all of your Snapchat memories. So that is how you download all your Snapchat memories at once. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.